So you're thinking about getting a Roku streaming stick? Well, I did too. I'm doing the unboxing. We're going to set it up and see how it works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let's get into the video.
Hey, thanks for tuning into this one. So if you're sick of paying that damn rental fee every month for that lousy cable box, I think this is a solution. I cut the cord with the cable box. I returned the cable box. I did the modem. I got rid of the modem. I'll leave a link above one of the cards. You'll see what I did. Change the rental modem out, $14 a month. Got rid of that rental modem. Put a regular modem in. You can take a look at that video if you want to. And also, instead of having the box for another $10 a month, so basically I'm saving $25 a month. I got a Roku Streaming Stick Plus. So let's do an unboxing. Let's take a look at what's in the box here. So this is the HD 4K version. I think this is probably the best one. There's one that's less expensive, like $29. This is $49. There's another one that's like $79. But I think this one here is really good enough for what I'm doing. So let's do an unboxing and see what is in this box, and we're going to hook it up. We're going to see how it looks. We're going to take a look at it, and we're going to check out this unboxing. So what we have in the box, so what you can see here, is the actual remote control. Now I do like this remote control because you can program the TV power, which is really important, I believe. Okay, that's nice. You can control the volume of your TV. So you don't have to have two remote controls. You can just have one remote control that does two jobs, which I like, and also has voice control. You can say, CBS, NBC, or CNN, things like that. You can get right to the channels. So it really is a nice, flexible remote control. Nice build, nice quality. Okay, they do include the AAA batteries, which is nice. So they give you everything. You don't have to buy anything whatsoever. So you get the remote control, you get the batteries. Okay, and they give you the power supply. So if your TV does not have a USB in the back of it, and I think most of them do today, if it doesn't have a USB in the back of it, you can plug this into the wall and basically use your TV that way. Also comes with the cord. Pull this out here. This is the cord that plugs into the actual stick itself, and we'll take a look at that. Let's unpackage that. And everything I have to say, the build on the Roku, you really can't go wrong with Roku. I mean, the build quality in general is excellent. I'm gonna open this up, open that, like that. Okay, so this plugs into the actual stick itself, and let's take a look at the stick. So we have everything here laid out. Here is the actual Roku stick itself. This is actually the brains of the operation, let's call it. Get all that plastic stuff off, which is kind of cool. So this is the Roku stick. Okay, so this HDMI, this plugs into the back of your TV, okay, very easy. This plugs into the actual Roku stick itself, okay, and this plugs into the USB in the TV, or if you need a longer cable, they give you an extension cable here, so this plugs into here. So you have an extension so you can go plug it into the wall. So this is the idea behind this. So if you have a USB in the back of your TV, it will power this Roku, which is really nice. So you can plug in the back of the TV, so it's nice and clean, simple. Or if you don't have a USB in the back, you actually just use the extension it gives you. You plug the extension again into here, and then the USB here into the power supply. And that's pretty much how you power the device. So that's what's in the package, that's what's in the box. What else do we have? Let's take a look at the instructions here. Streaming stick, Roku quick starters guide. This, we will take a look at that just to make sure. I believe you pretty much plug it in, set you through a bunch of little setup menus on the screen, and also register online. You get some cool Roku stickers. Look at that. Roku, I love Roku. That's interesting. I like that. You got stickers like Apple. Quick setup. Let's take a look in here at the instructions real quick. What's in the box? You get the Roku streaming stick. You get the remote control, the power adapter, USB power supply extender cable, two AAA batteries, and the USB power cable itself that plugs into the Roku. Step 1, connect TV. Plug your streaming player into your HDMI port on your TV, okay? And it shows you how to do that. Step 2, connect to the power. For the best result experience, include the USB power adapter if you do not have a USB cable in the back of your TV. Simple enough. Pretty simple instructions. Step 3, power on your TV and select the input. So make sure whatever you plug this into, make sure that input is selected. If it's a side input or a back input, just make sure you have the right input selected when you hook up your Roku TV. That is important because you'll go crazy, say it doesn't work, and it does. power on your TV and select the input. We did that. Install the batteries in the back of the remote control. We will do that. And on-screen setup and activation. Pretty simple, right? So pretty much simple all around. Easy instructions, easy install. Let's put this in the back of the TV, plug it in. I do have a USB at the back of my TV. Let's get the batteries installed in the remote control and we'll go from there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're enjoying the video, please hit that like button. I do appreciate that very much. Also, don't forget to share the video. Also, please subscribe. It does help support my channel as well, as I do tons of reviews. I give you a fair and accurate assessment of everything I touch. Doesn't matter if I pay for it or if it's sponsored. You will have an accurate and fair assessment. Also has, I just noticed, it also has a reset button on here. So if you mess it all up, hit the reset button and start over. So you can't go wrong, you can't break it, and you can't destroy anything. So you have nothing to lose, but give it a shot and plug it in and see how it works. So let's put it in the back of the TV. Let's put the batteries in the Roku and let's see what happens.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this review on this Roku device. I do appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel. Let's get back to the video.
Okay guys, so as you can see in the back of my TV, I have one HDMI port here, and I also have a side port. So each one of these ports does accompany a USB port. And here's the HDMI here, right here. Oh, actually, okay, this only has one USB port here. So I will put this in the back because I don't want it sticking out of the TV. So let's just put this in here, upside down. Okay, I'm trying to hold the camera and put it in. So that stick goes in like that. Hopefully this reaches. Okay, it does reach. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so I got that in. Sorry, everything was falling down. So you get the USB port here. You can see, here is the cable sitting back here. It's all behind the TV, right? And then the thing is actually blinking already. So hopefully you can see that. So it's probably already powered up already. If you can see that, hopefully I'm getting a shot of that. I'm going behind here. Hopefully you can see that. It's already solid. So it's probably already ready for setup mode. And back there, and then USB. So that is really how simple it is to get this on the TV. So here's the TV here. Let's get this set up and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so now I have the batteries out of the plastic. Again, more lovely plastic tape to protect everything. To open the case, you just use your thumb and just slide it open just like that. Follow the areas where the Roku the batteries go in. Okay, so these go in exactly the same way. Both of them go the same way. Okay, so the plus is to the front of the remote and the negatives to the back. Hopefully you can see that, and they both go the exact same way. So really super simple how to install these. It's actually blinking here. So I think that also is pairing up with the actual remote. So let's put the TV on and see what we have and see what's cooking. Let's take a look at that, see what's happening. So as you can see, and hopefully you can see, let me just straighten out the camera here so you can get a good idea what's happening. So I just turned on the TV. I put the batteries in as you just saw, and it just says, let's get started. And the remote did pair up automatically with the TV. So as you can see, that is perfectly paired. It's all set to go, and you can choose your language, as you can see here. But we are English, and then we hit the OK button, looking for wireless network. So of course it's going to look for your Wi-Fi signal, and you have to put in your network. So you have to choose your network and put your password in. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I put the password in, and it is checking the network and making sure everything is correct. Wireless connection, internet connection. It is checking everything. Hopefully I put the password in right. You know how that goes. Sometimes you don't do it right and you got to keep doing it again. So let's see. Now your Roku player will get the latest software. So yes, it's going to download some firmware. So let it do its thing. Don't rush it. I mean, it is what it is. It's pretty quick. It's a pretty fast stick. I'm very impressed so far with the quality, as you saw the unboxing of this Roku. So I think it's awesome. So let's just do its thing. You can fast forward this if you want to. I'm just going to stay with it, see what happens, and we'll see about registering or see what else there is to do with this Roku. Any questions or comments, leave down below. Hope you're enjoying the video. Please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. That does help me quite a bit, and I do really appreciate it. So let's see what happens. So it's probably going to reboot right about now. So there you go. So it did reboot, as you can see. Let's turn the volume up, see if there's anything to hear. Jumping around, which is nice. And let's see what the next step is. Okay, auto detect display type. Okay, press OK. Roku will analyze And let's do that. 720 and 80, okay, perfect. We'll do that. Very easy. Okay, type is set. Auto detect the screen correctly. Yeah, let's just say it. Let's see what it's okay. Enter your email address, go to Roku activation link, and start streaming. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go enter our email address and see what's cooking. Let's go back. We're gonna get to 70. We're gonna look at this together and see where we're at. Just gonna get to the live TV. You can get your own Roku. You can play with it and see what you think. Any questions or comments? Tell me what you think about Roku. What other devices do you use? Do you think something's better than Roku? I don't really know. I'm really new into this. All the streaming with Netflix and Roku and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to just, like I said, get rid of that $10 box I was renting, and also I got rid of the $14 a month modem. Again, I'll leave that link up on the card so you can see that. You can take a look at that review. It's very simple, really easy to do. You can do it yourself. It's super simple. Get yourself a new modem, get yourself a Roku, save yourself $25 a month. That's a lot of money. It really is. Think about it. That's $300 a year, right? It's a lot of money. All done. All right, let's see. All done. Enhance your streaming experience in Roku mobile app. We don't care about that right now. We can download that later if we want to. Let's see what pulls up on the screen. Roku player info retrieve.
Let's get you streaming.
Yes,
Here's
please.
a quick tour of your new Roku player. We'll start with your remote.
Yes.
Press home at any time to return to the home screen. Back always returns to the previous screen. And star shows additional options. Press this button while streaming to see the options menu. Press and hold the mic button on voice remote or the free Roku mobile app to search for entertainment, control your streaming, and more. Now let's check out your home menu. Visit streaming channels to find your favorites and discover new ones. Search to see where to stream things for free or at the lowest cost. Feature 3 for quick access to free TV. And be sure to check out the Roku channel for more free, live, and premium entertainment. For more information and other cool features, visit the Tips and Tricks channel on your home screen. And that's it. Happy streaming!
Oh, that was cool. Look at that. There you go. That's nice. I like it. Now let's see. Let's talk into it and see how it works. CNN. Install. CNN. Channel not installed. Let's see. Would you like to install it?
So some of these channels you have to go to your cable provider and put these codes in. It tells you what website to go to. The code will pop up. You have to sign into your cable account, and basically it grants you access to watch TV. So this replaces your cable box. So that's what this does. So just so you know. All right, let's get back into the rest of it, and let's see how the TV looks.
Okay guys, so I activated the TV. As you can see, you just have to go in and just put a code in, and if you have Comcast or whoever you have, just put your activation code in, and your CNN will come in live and it'll come in streaming. So this is how you do it. Real super simple. I hope you like the review. I hope you think about getting a Roku or some type of streaming device. I think it's a really good option instead of paying that $10 a month, which is a lot of money. I have to tell you, it's really not cheap. I mean, this will pay for $50 for 5 months. This is paid for. This will last many years. And then when you're done with it, you can always throw it away or sell it, or because most of the newer TVs do have Roku built into them. But if you do have an older TV, like I do, you need some type of streaming device, either Apple TV or Roku. I think Roku is definitely right up there as far as one of the best ones out there. And that's it. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.